Some of these eggs have been sitting around for a good long time, mainly because we had brought in a whole lot of eggs. So when you have chickens, you tend to have a lot of eggs, right? And sometimes you just get tired of eating eggs, right? You don't want eggs all the time. You can cook them in so many different ways. But some of these eggs here, I know, have probably gone bad. So I'm going to take my little flashlight thing that I've got here that's made specially for chicken eggs. And this flashlight has three settings. I'm going to use that really bright setting right there. And we're going to shine them on the eggs. And if you notice, right, some of these eggs light up. Some of them don't light up so well, right? So I'm going to turn some lights out and I'm going to show you what it looks like. All right, let me turn this other light out. I got some sausage cooking over in the pan, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up, like right here, I'm going to take this egg. I'm going to shine that light through it. You see how that lights up really good and you really don't see hardly anything on the inside. You might see a yolk. I think I see a bit of a yolk here, maybe. But I'm not seeing cracks. I'm not seeing anything weird. I do see dirt on the outside, but that's okay. I can wash them. And what I do is I take them, after I check them, and I go put them in a little thing of water. And I just now don't put that one in a little thing of water. So this one's got dirt all over it too. So anyway, I'm just going to put that there. There might be a little blemish like that right there. Right, you can see the dirt on the side. I can actually see part of the yolk there, which this egg looks pretty good except for the dirt on the outside. But so I'm going to put it over there to be washed. And another thing, like I just put it in a little bowl over there with water in it. And eggs that float are not good eggs. All right, so let me check this one right here. Oh, notice that one doesn't light up as well. Can you see the difference there? Let me kind of shine it where that light's away from you. Oh, see that dark spot right there? You can also see how it's lit up here, but it's dark on the other side. See how dark that is? I don't know if you can see it as well as I can, but there's some dark areas in that. But this right here, you see that? It's not on the outside of the egg. You can tell it's not on the outside. That dark area is not. But you hold that flashlight there and you can see some dark stuff inside there. That does not look good. That's some kind of weird growth, fungus, mold, or rotting whatever inside. So that egg needs to be pitched. That is not a good egg. So I've got a thing over here I keep compost in. So I'm going to put this, set that egg in that little compost bowl to be discarded. Here's another one I'm going to look at. Oh, that one's got some darkness in it as well. I need to turn that other light off so you can see these better. Hang on just a second. There. That's definitely going to help. All right, so look at this egg again. See how dark it is in there? That is not a good egg for in here. Something's not right about that egg. I could see something moving around in there, kind of like slush. You see that dark spot that's moving? That's not a baby chickie. Oh, look at that. See? See all that? There may have been a baby chickie developing in that one at one time, but that is not a good egg. That is a bad egg. If I broke that stinky rotten egg smell would be all over inside my house. See how dark it is right there? You do not want to crack that egg open. Discard that egg. That's a bad egg. Let me pick this egg up right here. It's a pretty egg. Ooh, look how that one shines and lights up. That's how you want your eggs to look. Compared to that one we just looked at, I can see a little dark here. That's where the yolk is. And that's dirt on the outside there. That right there is a good egg. That's how you want your eggs to be. They need to brighten up in there, right? So this one's going in the little bucket to be washed. And that egg sank straight to the bottom. So I'm going to choose this big one here. The big ones have been sitting there on the bottom for a long time. I like to kind of look at them, make sure they're not cracked. But, all right, well, there's some dark stuff in there. See all that dark stuff? That is not good. Yeah, it's a bad egg. Yucky bad. Yucky bad. Not good. Don't ever crack open a yucky bad egg. It may have been a baby chickie developing in there at one time, but we had some cold days, so a lot of these eggs, if they did have baby chickies in them, got way too cold. And since it's been sitting around, that is probably a rotten egg. So discard that. Don't use it. All right, let me find another one. I'll try that one right there. Ew. It's got some old yolk on it. Yeah, that one's kind of, see the darkness in there? That's a bad egg. Not a good egg. Discard that. Do not use it. Do not crack it open. All right, let me try this big one right here. Ooh, that's pretty. Look how pretty that is. Now I can see the yolk right there. Now that's a good egg. That's a pretty egg. I like that. And they do have little air pockets in them naturally, but that air pocket looks good. You see that? Right in this area. That's a good natural air pocket. And then the yolk is here. That looks like a good egg. And when I put it in the bucket of water, it sank directly to the bottom. Well, this egg's cracked. Can you see the crack? I don't know if you can see the crack. You see the crack? Yeah, that's a bad egg. See how yucky it is on the inside? Bad egg. It's cracked already. So this egg needs discarded. Do not use that egg. Bad egg. Let me check this one right here. Ooh, look how pretty that is. That's a pretty egg. You can see the natural air pocket in there. You can see the yolk in there too. But that's some kind of stuff on it. I was thinking that yolk might look like it's got some structure to it, which could possibly be the development of a baby chickie in there. We do have roosters, so a lot of these eggs may be fertilized eggs. It looks good otherwise, but since it's got some kind of structure in there, you can see it better there. There's some kind of, yeah, that one was developing a baby chickie. We're not going to crack that open. We don't want to cook a baby chickie in our eggs. So we're going to discard that. Do not break that open unless you just want to, look at it and experiment with it. Now that looks good. It's got dirt on it. A little dark on the inside, but I think that's yolk. I don't see any actual structure to it. So I think we're going to crack this one open. Yeah, that's pretty. A little dark in there, but that looks more like yolk. I don't see any structure to it, like Doesn't appear to be anything growing like a baby chickie or anything like that. Nothing bad. Once I wash all the stuff off the outside, I think it'll be a pretty egg. So I'm going to flip test this one. Yeah, it's sunk to the bottom. Alright, I'm going to look at this one now. That's a pretty egg. You can see the yolk there. See how it's dark right here in the yolk? Can't tell if it's got any kind of structure in the yolk. It's really hard to tell. But I've got enough eggs over there for cooking right now, so these 4, I mean, other than just sticking these on there like that, I think they're pretty eggs. That one's got a lot of dirt on it. So does that one. But those look good. And of course all this dirt, I'll just pour that in the compost and get rid of it. So I'm going to set these eggs aside, and that'll be a meal for another day. Thank you for watching how I check my eggs. These are fresh eggs directly from the chicken coop. We did have cold days. We got down to like 3 degrees Fahrenheit out there, and some of these eggs had been frozen. So anyway, talk to you later. Bye.